Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This is the one with the skinny front tire and the chopped fenders. Beautiful two-tone orange and black. You got your San Francisco Giants colors, custom levers, mirrors, and it also has a backrest and a luggage rack installed. Belt drive 900cc V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's only got 2,500 miles on it. It's basically showroom condition. Come on by, make your midweight V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $89.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.